Ciao, this is Chiara and welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to make this beautiful ear muff, very warm and very pretty, I think, and perfect for cold days. For this project I use Splendor together with another beautiful yarn, Merino Plus by Lane Mondial. You need 6.5 millimeters hook. You need some kind of stuffing material and an headband. We work with two yarns together, make a magic ring, and inside the magic ring we work 8 single crochet. Chain 1 and 8 single crochet inside your circle. Eight single crochet are done, so pull up your tail and one slip stitch into the very first single crochet to close the round. Now one increase into each stitch, so chain 1, 2 double crochet into each stitch. And one slip stitch into the first single crochet to complete this round. Increase again, so in the third round chain 1, 1 single crochet, in the next stitch 2 double crochet, and repeat this sequence, 1 single crochet, and in the next my increase, so 2 single crochet. One slip stitch into the first single crochet to close this third round. Now you have 24 stitches all around. Stop here if you want a baby or child size, or keep doing another round like me. Chain 1, 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet in the next, in the third one increase, so 2 single crochet. Repeat again, 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, and 2 single crochet. And go ahead until the end of this round. Slip stitch into the first single crochet. Now you have 32 stitches. Now I'm just gonna basically do 2 rounds of single crochet in each stitch. The first circle is complete. Do 3 more and leave a long tail on 2 because we will sew the 2 parts together. Okay, these are my 4 circles. On 2 I left the long tail. And make a simple knot with the small tails because then I'll have to stuff it inside and you will not see anything. But before sewing them together, I want to put a decoration. I choose these cutting dies with stars by Cesare. I will use the middle star and I use faux leather. To put the star on the circle, I simply use hot glue, but if you want, you can sew on it. Now we are ready to sew the 2 circles together. Remember to leave a small open to insert the stuffing and the plastic headband. And now insert your stuffing materials as much as you want. Okay, now we are ready to insert the plastic headband inside, and remember to put a little hot glue on it to stop the headband position. After that, use sewing the open part to finish. So after trying your earmuff, grab your yarn needle and weave your tail inside your project. My project is now complete. It's very easy to make it, so I think it's perfect for beginners. I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. Let me know in the comments down below, and if you make your earmuff, remember to tag me on Instagram or Facebook. Stay warm, thank you for watching, and tanto love!